Now this is a Beehive roller. It comes in a 7, 4, and 2-inch size. Using a red flock roller, dry, just diffuse it. This unique applicator system can give your walls personality in just minutes. I encourage you to try just one wall in your living room, bedroom, dining room, or even bathroom. Let your creative talents emerge. Until next time, thanks for listening. There is a 1-hour instructional DVD to help you decide which Whizz decorative cover will work best for you. This 1-hour DVD on the Whizz applicator system is $12.95 plus $4.95 shipping and handling. Go to merrillpaint.com for ordering information. And thank you for listening.